Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. This is Alan again. We got a bunch of tooling in today. We're going to do a little unboxing and review on it. Just again, it's brand new, so we won't know how well it performs over time. But I've got some Joe blocks here. We'll measure and see how accurate they are. So let's get into it. All right. So the first thing we've got here are 0 to 6 digital calipers. Again, these are Haas. Everything in this box or in these boxes are going to be Haas. It comes in a nice hard case. Comes with looks like a certificate or something, warranty card. These, I believe, are made in China, as are most of the things that they sell. If I'm not mistaken, I know some of their end mills and stuff are made in Israel or wherever, but a lot of their hand tools are Chinese. Okay, so it came with 2 batteries. They feel pretty good. They're not Mitutoyo quality, of course, but you're not paying for Mitutoyo either. Came with 2 little screwdrivers, a Phillips and a flat, and I'm assuming these are the batteries for the battery cover, or excuse me, the screws for the battery cover. Came with 3 screws. Let's see here. These are Phillips head screws, and it came with 2 CR2032 batteries. I guess the flatheads to get this open. Okay. They're on. That's a good sign. So it looks like you got 1 spare screw. And it looks like the flathead is to pry open that. These screws are so tiny. Alrighty. Not real sure what's going on here. It's given an error code already. SE. Let's see here what the directions say. Certificate of calibration. Let's see. Turn on the caliper, display distance, last position. Alright, so it should be working. Okay, there it goes. You've got to hold in the 0 button for 5 seconds, it looks like. Okay, they have a nice readout on them. Let's see how accurate they are. This is a 1/2 inch Joe block. These are calibrated, by the way, so they should be as accurate as they're going to get. 500 on the money. Excuse me. Let's check a 102. Make sure they're good and clean. 102 on the money. So it looks like they're pretty accurate. This is an 850 block. Let's see what it measures. It's measuring 850 and a half. Let's see, make sure it's good and clean here. Yeah, 850 and a half. So it looks like it's off a half thou on that one. This next one is going to be a 3-inch block. Let's see what it says here. It's 3 inches on the money. All right, so it looks like they're pretty good quality. We'll see how they do over time. They are IP67. I believe that is just dust proof. I don't think that is coolant proof. I could be wrong on that, and correct me if I am. But yeah, we'll do this as one video, and then we'll do another video. I have some 0 to 6 mics. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.